So, you want to know how to play clap across the circle? Well, it's very easy. You simply get everybody to stand in a circle. They could sit down, but standing is better. The first person looks across the circle at someone else and claps their hands towards them. That person has to be ready, and they clap their hands as though they are receiving the sound from the person across the circle. So it goes like this. That's it. And then person B sends it on to someone else across the other side of the circle. And so it goes on around and around the circle. You can also do some other things with the game as well. So for example, the first person not only claps their hands, but says their own name, not the name of the person they're clapping to, because they might not know the name of that person if it's a new group. So I go, David, and the person who receives it goes like that, and then looks to someone else and says their name. Okay, so it goes on like that around the circle. And the other thing that you can do with it is to choose a category such as colours or animals, and then everybody has to think of a different colour or an animal: red, leopard, or whatever the category might be.
White,
Yellow.
red, green, rose, pink, orange,
Dark blue.
maroon, white.
Sapphire.
I'm going to ask you to start this time, but we're going to change the category to animals. Any animal at all. Okay, off we go.
Okay. Dog.
Bird.
Geopard, mouse,
Monkey. Cat.
elephant.
And that's really good for revising vocabulary. Okay, I hope you enjoy the game.